Good morning, kindergartners. Today we're on page 28 of your student journal, page 28, so that's 28. And our objective today is, today I will compose numbers 16 through 19. So today we're going to compose, which means we're going to put together numbers 16 through 19. So we're going to work with larger numbers than we have in the past. Okay, let's look at our vocabulary. Our first word is compose, and it means put parts together. So my two parts here are 10 and 6, and when they put them together, they get 16. Our next word is decompose, which is the opposite, break into parts. So here they start with one number and they break it into two parts. So they start with a 16 and they break it into a 10 plus 6. So it's break apart. And then we have our 10 frames. And remember, when I see a full 10 frame, I don't even need to count. I just go, it's 10. And then this 10 frame I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are in that 10 frame. And if I want to add them all, I can say I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So together, this is 16. And then we have our equation, which is a number sentence. So 10 plus 6 equals 16 is a number sentence or an equation. But see this, it has to have that equal sign there. That's the really important part, friends, is that equal sign. Okay, so boys and girls, I'm going to get started on my first problem. Here's what my first problem looks like. It says, compose a group of 10 and 6 ones. Record your equation. Okay, so this is my group of 10. I might still count them just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 in my group. And then, so because they wanted me to take the 10 in my group, and then here's my 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's my 6 ones. Now, what do they want me to do with those? Boys and girls, they want me to compose them, which means they want me to put them together. So when I put them together, I can just say I have 10. So I'm just going to say this is 10. I don't need to count those again. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 10 plus 6 equals 16. Okay. On my next one, I'm going to do it a little different. Now that I know this is a group of 10, I'm not going to count it on my next one, and I'm going to show you a different way to do it. Okay, friends, ready? So this question says, compose, which means they want me to put together a group of 10 and 7 ones. Record your equation. So here's my group of 10. And they told me, here's my group of 7 ones. So I know they told me it's 7 ones. So what happens if I want to count these then? Ready? If I want to compose them and put them together. I'm just going to say I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So when I compose the 10 and the 7 ones, I got 17. So my number sentence or my equation is 10 plus 7 equals 17. So friends, when we do ours, we're going to do it like this now. Now that we're getting better at these. Okay, ready? So we're going to do some together. We're on page 29. Page 29. So find the campfires on page 29. Excuse me. Okay, let's read our sentence, our question or a sentence. It says, compose a group of 10 and 8 ones. Record your equation. Okay, so what do we have? They say we have a group of 10 friends. So here's our group of 10. So let's put 10 there. And they told us this is 8 ones. So let's put an 8 there. So here's our two groups. Do you see? We have a 10 here and 8 ones there. Okay, now they want us to compose them and put them together. So what are we going to say? We're going to say we have 10, and then we're going to count on. So ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So when we compose those, we got 18. Okay, and that's nice when we know we have a group of 10 that we could start with. That makes it easier for us, friends. Okay, let's look at our next one. This one says we're going to compose or put together a group of 10 and 9 ones. Record your equation. Okay, so they're telling us this is our group of 10. So let's put a 10 here. And they're telling us this is a group of 9 ones. So let's put a 9 there. So here's our 10 and here's our 9. And they want us to put it together. They want us to take the groups and put them together. Okay, so ready, friends? We're going to count on at 10. So we're going to say we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 10 plus 9 equals 19. That's our equation. Okay, boys and girls, have a great day. Bye.